Hello Home Chef, how's it going? Today we are going to make Doenjang Jjigae, Korean soybean paste stew. It is ultimate comfort food that is super savory, hearty and delicious. Let's get started. You need any good sized pot like this, or 5 cup ttukbaegi Korean clay pot, which is great for keeping the stewed hot boil extended time. We need 1 medium sized potato cube to bite size, half onion chop, any kind of onion will do, half green zucchini, cut it into chunks, half jalapeno or serrano, thinly slice, remove seed if you like, cup of shiitake mushroom, thinly slice, handful of enoki or beech mushroom, stem removed, separated and washed, 2 scallions chopped. In a pot, add prepared potato and onion with 2 cups of water or broth. Bring it to boil over medium heat. Once boiled, add a heaping tablespoon of minced garlic. Add zucchini and jalapeno. Half bouillon cube of your choice, any flavor you fancy. Half teaspoon of ground black pepper. Next, add all of the mushroom to heaping tablespoon of soybean paste directly or use a mini scoop strainer. It's personal preference to discard what's left in a strainer or just keep it in. Let it simmer for a few minutes. Meanwhile, cut half block of tofu into cubes. Add them directly to simmering stew with the chopped scallion. Cover the pot with the lid 90% so it would not boil over. Simmer the stew for a few more minutes. Give it a taste and adjust seasoning as needed. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy watching my video. See you next time. Goodbye.